Sige po. Ang stomach is J-shape. So, pwede siyang mag-vary in shape due to posture, yung contents niya, yung body type, physiologic state, pressure, mga ganon. So, yung pain letter, merong condition sa hypertonic, orthotonic, hypotonic, atonic, mga ganon. Aralin na lang natin. So, ang location ng stomach is mostly in the epigastric region, yung mga gastroesophageal junction, yung cardiac part of the stomach, lesser curvature, tsaka yung pylorus, medyo epigastric region siya. Yung left hypochondriac region naman is yung fundus of the stomach. Yung umbilical region naman is a greater curvature and the pyloric antrum. Tapos, ang parts of the stomach is after the gastroesophageal junction is the cardia. Very good. Yung nadidispose to the right is the fundus. So, ano yung notch na napaform na to? Cardiac notch. Very good. Tapos, itong wider part is the body. Itong lesser curvature. Tapos, this is the greater curvature. Tapos, itong nakikita niyo parang triangular in shape is the pyloric antrum. Tapos, itong narrower part is the pyloric canal. So, this whole thing is the pylorus. Diba? Tapos po, itong lesser curvature na to is connected to the liver by what omentum? Lesser omentum. So the lesser omentum is composed of several ligaments, namely hepatoduodenal ligament, which encloses the very good. Which encloses the hepatic triad, namely hepatic artery, portal vein, and the common bile duct. Very good. What ligament connects the stomach to the liver? Hepatogastric ligament. So, itong hepatoduodenal at hepatogastric ligament, tapos meron ding hepatosplenic ligament makes up the lesser omentum. Okay po? Tapos, yung greater curvature naman, dito nakaano yung greater omentum, which is the apron, diba? Apron siya. So, pag inano natin, i-review natin yung neurovascular supply. So, ang parent natin is the celiac trunk, diba? Celiac trunk. Teka lang ha. Ito. Wait, ito. Ito na ba yun? Ay, hindi, splenic artery to. This one. Ayan, thank you po. So, wait, hindi pa siya makaano. Kasi this is the